Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys, I am going to show you guys hotspot setting in your Technophone device. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how can we check our hotspot device name in our Technophone. Guys, you want to check your hotspot device name, so as you can check easily. In this video guys, I will show you how to check hotspot device name in our Technophone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your hotspot device name. So as you can see this type of setting, then guys click on your hotspot setting, then guys click on Wi-Fi hotspot, then guys you can see guys your hotspot setting. So guys we will tap to check our hotspot device name. So guys you can see guys your hotspot device name about phone, and guys you want to rename this name, means guys you want to change your hotspot device name. So guys you can change from here in your Technophone. So like that guys, you can check your hotspot device name in your Technophone. So I hope friends you understood how to check hotspot device name in our Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Then guys, we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.